Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Quora login issues, email and verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Quora website or the official Quora app to avoid fake login pages. Check your internet connection by opening another website or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your email address is typed correctly with no extra spaces before or after it. If you use Google or Facebook login, try the same method you used when you created the account. If you forgot the password, tap Forgot Password and request a reset link to your email. Open your email inbox and search for messages from Quora, including in promotions, updates, and spam folders. If the reset or verification email is not there, wait 5 minutes and request the email again only once. Add no reply at Quora.com to your email contacts or safe sender list to prevent blocking. If you still do not receive emails, try a different email provider or check if your mailbox storage is full. On your device, set the correct date and time automatically because wrong time can break verification links. Copy the verification link and paste it into your browser instead of tapping it inside the email app. If the link opens inside an in-app browser, choose Open in Chrome or Safari for a cleaner login session. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Quora.com, then close and reopen the browser. If you are using the Quora app, force close the app and reopen it to refresh the login process. Update the Quora app from the App Store or Google Play to fix known login bugs. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary network and app issues. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily, because Quora may block suspicious locations and trigger verification loops. Try logging in from a different network, such as a home network instead of public Wi-Fi. Check if your email account has two-factor authentication and confirm you can access it without issues. If Quora says your email is already in use, try logging in instead of signing up, or reset the password. If Quora says verification failed, request a fresh verification email and use only the newest link. If you are stuck on a verification code screen, re-enter the code carefully and watch for O and 0 mix-ups. Make sure you are not blocking cookies or JavaScript in your browser settings, because Quora needs them. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extensions and saved sessions causing conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers, then attempt the login again. If you recently changed your email, check both the old and new inboxes for verification messages. Visit Quora Help Center and submit a login issue request with your email and a screenshot of the error. Wait for Quora support response and avoid repeated attempts that can temporarily lock the account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.